Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. Find a quiet, comfortable space to sit or lie down. Let your body begin to settle. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Take a long, slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Allow yourself to arrive fully. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. With each exhale, allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw relax. Feel the tension melting from your neck, your back, your hands. You are safe here. Held, supported. Imagine now that you are standing at the edge of a wide, shimmering ocean. The sun is warm on your skin. A soft breeze plays with your hair. The water glows with hues of sapphire, turquoise, and gold. Each wave rolls in slowly, rising and curling with grace. And as it touches the shore, it releases a gentle hush, like the ocean is breathing. Now imagine that with each breath in, you draw in the peace of this place. And with each breath out, the tide carries away anything heavy. Tension, worry, even the thoughts you no longer need, all dissolving into the sea. You walk slowly along the shore. The water kisses your feet and flows back. Your whole body begins to sway with the rhythm of the waves, in and out. In and out. The tide becomes your breath. Let the ocean hold what you no longer want to carry. As the waves fade behind you, you now find yourself in a vast field of wildflowers. The petals reach toward the sky in every shade: lavender, coral, ivory, gold. They dance lightly in the breeze, opening gently in the sun's glow. You walk slowly through the meadow, trailing your fingers through blossoms. Each flower you pass whispers a word to your heart: ease, softness, trust, surrender. Breathe these words in, one at a time. Let them settle gently in your chest. In the center of the field is a tree, wide, sheltering, ancient. Its leaves shimmer like silver in the breeze. You sit beneath it and feel the warmth of the earth supporting you. The air is filled with the scent of jasmine and earth after rain. With every breath, the flowers open wider, and so do you. The meadow rises gently now into a hill, and you follow the path upward. As you climb, the air becomes cool and clear, filled with pine and wild mint. You reach the top and find yourself gazing out over vast mountains, blue and purple in the distance. Above you, the sky stretches endlessly. Soft clouds drifting, birds soaring. There is stillness here, a peace that reaches into your bones. Feel the wind brushing over your face, lifting strands of thought away. Here, everything is wide and open. Take a moment to just breathe here, in this space of clarity and light. With each breath out, release anything still clinging. Let it lift like a feather on the breeze. Now, picture a gentle stream winding through this landscape. It glistens like glass and flows with a gentle song. You sit beside it, dipping your fingers into the cool, flowing water. Imagine any lingering tension leaving your body and entering the stream. Carried away, peacefully, easily, flowing into the distance. You are lighter. You are clear. You are home within yourself. Place your hand over your heart. Feel it beating, steady, present. Say softly in your mind, I am safe. I am enough. I am free to let go. Slowly now, begin to return to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body resting where you are. Notice the rhythm of your breath. And as you gently open your eyes, carry this sense of ease with you, like the scent of flowers, like the hush of waves. Let it stay with you softly all day and all night long. Let your heart be at peace.